Hello, I'm Richard Gerhardt. Welcome to Body of Energy. On this video, I will be demonstrating how to shuffle our Body of Energy card decks. Thank you. So shuffling the Body of Energy decks, our decks have either 108 cards or 162 cards. So you can see that that's a pretty thick deck. And some people have smaller hands, and so it may be difficult for them to take a tarot-sized card and shuffle it like that. So, one way you can shuffle the cards to make it easier is you take a third off the top and you set it aside. And you take the remaining 2/3 and you shuffle them a few times. I usually like to shuffle them 3 times each. And that gives me a good mix. And then when I'm done with that 3 times, I split the deck in half and set it in the next spot, the second spot. This way I can keep track of how many times I'm shuffling them. I personally like shuffling the cards 9 times. I like systems, I like rhythm, so I just do it the same way every single time. So when I move the top half of the deck to the new position, it helps me remember where I'm at in my shuffling process. But, you know, it really just depends on what the person wants to do. But this is what I do. So in this manner, it allows me to shuffle all the cards very thoroughly, even though I can't shuffle them all at one time. So then when I'm done, I take the top half, and then I also rifle through them this way. And I do that a couple of times or so. And then when I'm ready, I split the deck and begin to lay out the cards. And so that's how I shuffle these big decks if they're too big for me to handle. Thank you. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe and check out our other videos. Also, please check out our website at bodyofenergy19.com. Thank you.